Hi, scholars. I hope you guys are all doing well during this very uncertain time. I'm excited to let you know that I will be trading off days with Coach Morris and Your E. Every day a week, we're each going to put out a video. So you might see me 2 times a week, you might see me 1 time a week, depending on what the rotation schedule is. Now, today, we aren't really going to dive into an art project just yet, but I do want to get us started for Thursday's project. So I'll see you guys. I'll put another video out on Thursday, April 2nd. So make sure, I'm just going to let you know what you need, the materials you're going to need for that date. So this Thursday, make sure that you can find some coffee filter. So if you don't have a coffee filter, spend these next couple days maybe asking a relative if they have coffee filters or a neighbor. I know it's a little difficult right now to go to the store, but I'm trying to find things that we can use at home. I have here markers, my primary colors. I'm going to pause so you guys can say them out loud. What are the 3 primary colors? I don't even have to really pause that long because I know you guys know it is red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue are our primary colors. Okay, don't forget that because we're going to keep using these colors throughout the rest of the year. Now, my primary colors make secondary colors. I already talked about this with my 2nd graders, my 1st graders, kindergartners. This is for you. My primary colors, we talked a little bit about it before the break. So just letting you know, red, yellow, blue, we can make all our colors with these 3 colors, except for maybe black and white. All right, so we have our coffee filter, our 3 primary colors, and a glass of water. Now, I would say use glass. I don't know the exact brand of markers that you guys will happen to find, or if you are in a pinch, you, I guess, could use Sharpie. Now, you can use other colored markers. If you don't have primary colors at home, don't worry about it. You'll still get a cool effect if you use whatever colors you have together. Now, I don't want to give too much away, but next Thursday, you guys will have more information. We'll do the project next Thursday. And once again, markers, coffee filter, cup. A glass cup with water is the materials we're going to need for next week. I miss you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.